माटी एक अनेक भांत कर साजी साजनहारे, ना कछु पोच माटी के भांडे, ना कछु पोच कुम्हारे, सब में सच्चा एको सोई, तिसका किया सब कछ होई. The clay is the same, but the cosmic potter has fashioned vessels of many kinds. There is nothing wrong with the pot of clay. There can be no error by the potter. The one true Lord abides in all. By his power, everything is fashioned. Unit 5 Surface Chemistry Part 4. Emulsions. Emulsions are liquid-liquid colloidal solutions. That is, the dispersion of finely divided droplets in another liquid. If a mixture of two immiscible or partial miscible liquid is shaken, a coarse dispersion of one liquid in other is obtained, which is called emulsion. Generally, one of the two liquids in water is water. Out of two liquids, one liquid is water. In short, we can say emulsion is a colloidal solution in which both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquids. Emulsions are of two types: oil dispersed in water, that is, oil in water type. Water act as the dispersion medium. Examples are milk, vanishing cream. In milk, liquid fat is dispersed in water. Second one is water in oil. Oil act as dispersion medium. For example, butter and cream. Note: emulsions of oil in water are unstable and sometimes they separate into two layers on standing. Note number second: for stabilization of an emulsion, a third component called emulsifying agent is usually added. Point number third, note number third: the emulsifying agent form an interfacial film between a suspended particle and the medium. Note number 4: the principal emulsifying agents of oil in water emulsions are proteins, gums, natural and synthetic soaps, etc. And for water in oil type, heavy metal salts or fatty acids, long chain alcohols, lamp black, etc. Note number 5: the droplets in emulsion are often negatively charged and can be precipitated by electrolytes. Note number 6: they can also show Brownian movement and Tyndall effect because they are colloidal solution. Emulsions are also colloidal solutions, but they here both the components are liquid, therefore they will all the properties of colloidal solutions. Emulsion can be broken into constituent liquids by heating, freezing, and centrifuging, etc. Collides around us, blue color of the sky. We know if we see upward, the sky appears blue. Why? What is the reason? Dust particle. The reason is that dust particle along with water suspended in air scatter blue light which reaches our eyes and the sky looks blue to us. Therefore, blue color of the sky is due to the scattering of light by water and dust particles present in air. Now, second one is fog, mist, and rain. In blue color, fog and mist is explained when a large mass of air containing dust particles is cooled below its dew point. The moisture from the air condenses on the surface of these particles, forming the fine droplet. These droplets, being colloidal in nature, continue to float in air in the form of mist or fog. Clouds, second one is clouds are aerosols having small droplets of water suspended in air. On account of condensation in the upper atmosphere, the colloidal droplets of water grow bigger and bigger in size. Till they come down in the form of rain. Sometimes the rainfall occur when two oppositely charged clouds meet. It's very important. Next one is it is possible to cause artificial rain by throwing electrified sand or spraying a sol carrying charge opposite to the one on the clouds from an aeroplane. तो आर्टिफिशियल रेन कराई जा सकती है बादल के ऊपर अगर उसके अपोजिट चार्ज वाली सैंड या कोई कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन फेंक दिया जाए, तो ऐसा हमने प्राचीन समय में जो टीवी पे सीरियल आता था महाभारत में भी देखा था। Food articles, milk, butter, halwa, ice cream, fruit juices, are etc. are all colloidal in one form or the other form. Now the blood, it is a colloidal solution of an albuminoid substance. The styptic action of alum and ferric chloride solution is due to coagulation of blood, forming a clot which stops further bleeding. तो ब्लीडिंग रुक जाती है क्योंकि फेरिक क्लोराइड हैं, जो क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोलाइट हैं तो ब्लड को क्या कर देते हैं, ये पार्टिकल्स को कोएगुलेट करते हैं, फर्दर जो है ब्लीडिंग है दैट स्टॉप्स। Now, soils. Fertile soils are colloidal in nature, in which humans act as protective colloid. On account of the colloidal nature, soil absorb moisture and nourishing materials. Now, formation of delta, very very important. River water is a colloidal solution of clay. Sea water contains a number of electrolytes. When river water meets the sea water, the electrolyte present in sea water coagulate the colloidal solution of clay, resulting in its deposition with the formation of delta. तो डेल्टा बनता है, कैसे बनता है आपको पता है, जो नदी का पानी है वो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन है और समुद्र के पानी में इलेक्ट्रोलाइट होते हैं। जब नदी का पानी समुद्र में गिरता है तो समुद्र के पानी के जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट हैं वो नदी के पानी को कोएगुलेट करते हैं, जिससे नदी का जो तल है, जो बेड है, वो राइज कर जाता है और डेल्टा बन जाता है। Application of colloids, electrical precipitation of smoke. Smoke is a colloidal solution of solid particles such as carbon, arsenic compound, dust, etc. in air. The smoke before it come out from the chimney is led through a chamber containing plates having a charge opposite to that carried by the smoke particles. The particles on coming in contact with these plates lose their charge and get precipitated. The particles thus settle down on the floor of the chamber. The precipitator is called Cortal Precipitator, as shown in the diagram. We are seeing from the bottom smoke is coming in the precipitator, and there is an electrode having voltage more than 30,000 volts. When the smoke come in contact with this electrode neutralizes carbon, arsenic compound and dust particles, and they settle at the surface of the precipitator, and the gas is free from carbon particle comes out as shown in the diagram. Now, medications. Most of the medications are colloidal in nature. For example, number 4 we have seen milk of magnesia usually used in homes, and emulsion is used for stomach disorders. Colloidal medications are more effective because they have large surface area and are therefore easily assimilated. Now, next is purification of drinking water. The water obtained from the natural sources often contain suspended impurities. Alum is added such water to coagulate the suspended impurities and make water fit for drinking purposes. Now, tanning. Animal hides are colloidal in nature. When a hide which has positively charged particle is soaked in tannin, which contains negatively charged colloidal particles. If a tannin is a solution which contains negatively charged particles, mutual coagulation takes place. This results in the hardening of leather. This process is called tanning. So, chromium salt are also used in place of tannin. Cleansing action of soaps and detergent already explained in previous slides. Next is photographic plates and films. Photographic plates or films are prepared by coating an emulsion of the light sensitive silver bromide in gelatin over glass plates or celluloid films. Now, rubber industry latex is a colloidal solution of rubber particles which are negatively charged. Rubber is obtained by coagulation of latex. Latex is obtained from trees. Lateral products, paints, industrial products, paints, inks, synthetic plastics, rubber, Graphite, lubricant, cement, etc. all are colloidal solutions. Thank you for attending the lecture.